So in last video, we were able to successfully fetch GitHub user details and we were able to see it in the console of our browser. In this video, we are going to display it in the React component itself. So without delay, let's just create one state named user, const user, and we can change this particular user details by using another function named set user, and this is going to be use state, and initially it's going to be just empty curly braces because it's being displayed as a JSON here. So we just have to put one normal JSON here. So once that is done, we can see console log data is being written here, and I'll just type set user data, and once that is done, whenever the user is being fetched, it's going to be set inside user here, and now I can directly come here and type h1, and here I can type something like user dot, and I can see something like name, and if I save it and if I go here, it's going to display Manjunath Shenoy here. This is actually coming from GitHub itself. Once that is done, I can see something like bio. I'll just write one p tag and I'll be able to type user.bio, and if I save it, we can see the bio which is being displayed in the GitHub. Once that is done, I can see something like blog, that is the website. I'll just type user.blog and I'll just save it. It's going to display the link itself, whatever it's present on GitHub. Now let's just try to see something like email, which I haven't shown it publicly. So if I just type here user.email and if I save it, it's not going to be displayed here. But there is one big error here, that is entire function is being called multiple times. That is because we haven't assigned it to anything, and whenever this particular component changes, this particular function is going to run. It's little bit complicated. I should have told it in the beginning only, but I'll just comment it out for now so that we can fix this particular error. And once that is done, we can go here and we can create one button, and here we can type something like get user details and save it, and we'll be able to see the button itself. And here we can type on click, and here we can type something like a button clicked, and in order to use this particular button clicked variable, we need to create it, and we'll create one simple function here, const button clicked is equal to one arrow function, and here we can just call this particular fetch GitHub user function. I'll uncomment it. Once that is done, we should be able to see no error, and if we just click on get user details, it's going to fetch it, and if I click it again also, it's going to fetch it again, and I'll just refresh it, and we'll not see anything here. So before we end this particular video, I want to display the photo of GitHub also, so that we can get it by using avatar URL. We can directly go here and we can type something like img tag, and in the src we can put directly user dot avatar underscore URL and save it. It's going to display my photo itself. So in next video, we'll just make sure users will be able to type their name and click on get details, and actually it's not name, username, and once they type their username and click on fetch user details, it should be able to display their user details. At the moment, we are just hard coding this particular thing, And if you change it to something else, you will be able to see it. Maybe let me just change it to Facebook, and I'll just save it. Okay, so Facebook's details is being fetched here. I want our project to be able to type directly Facebook and click on fetch user details, and we should be able to display it. So we'll do it in the next video. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you like this tutorial series, just comment in the comment box and type saying you are following this particular tutorial. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.